In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page color in Google Docs. If you want to give your document a different background color instead of the standard white page, Google Docs makes it very simple. This can be useful if you're designing a flyer, creating notes that are easier on the eyes, or just trying to make a document feel a little more personalized. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means so the process feels quick and easy. To get started, open your document in Google Docs and look to the top left corner of the screen. In the menu bar, click on File. This menu contains many of the document settings, including the option we need for changing the page background. Once the File menu opens, scroll down until you see Page Setup, then click on it. A settings window will appear, and this is where you can adjust a few page-related options. For this tutorial, the main area you want to focus on is the page color section. In the page color area, click on the colored circle. This will open the color picker, where you'll be able to choose the background color for your document. You can select from preset colors if you want something fast and simple. These are great if you just need a basic shade and don't want to spend time customizing. If you want more control, you can also choose a custom color. This is helpful if you're trying to match a theme, a brand style, or a specific design preference. Google Docs also gives you the option to type in a hex code, which is useful if you already know the exact color you want to use. That way, you can be precise instead of guessing. After you've picked the color you want, click the blue OK button to apply it to the page. Your document background will update right away, so you can immediately see how it looks. If you'd like this same page color to be used automatically in future documents, look for the Set as Default box before clicking OK. Checking that box will make the selected color your default page background going forward, which can save time if you regularly use the same style. And that's all it takes to change page color in Google Docs. It's a small adjustment, but it can make your document look more polished, more creative, or simply more comfortable to work with.